to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, renders appear with the design of the Samsung Galaxy A35. It is very similar to the rest of the models. Samsung does not take any chances. Samsung's Galaxy A series is a line of mid-range phones, widely known for offering some of the best budget options on the market. Furthermore, we always remember that where Samsung makes a gold is not by selling a 1000 euros mobiles, but in the mid-range Galaxy A series, M series and F series. The Korean giant is now preparing to expand its catalog with new models of the Galaxy A line, but of the ones that have appeared, renders are of the Galaxy A35. Not only that, some specifications have also seen the light. They come from the omnipresent leaker on leaks, which has given them to the My Smart Price portal, and they give us a good version of what the device is going to be like. The Galaxy A35 is expected to go on the smartphone market with a 6.6 inches flat screen. According to what was published by the leaker, the image obtained by OnLeak shows us a phone with rounded corners, quite thin edges, and back design consistent with other phones that the Korean brand launched in 2023, which is approaching its end. On the back you can see 3 camera lenses aligned vertically in the upper left corner, leaving the rest quite clean, with the Samsung logo present at the base. On the front, we have a flat screen and a selfie camera located in the center. The Galaxy A35, which will succeed the Galaxy A34 that was launched last March, is expected to debut around the same time window next year, with some improvements over its predecessor. It is rumored that it will arrive with Android 14 as standard. Rumors also suggest a 50 megapixel main camera sensor, a small step up from the 48 megapixel sensor present on the Galaxy A34. The main camera could be accompanied by the typical wide angle and macro sensors, although the possible improvements that these cameras have received, if these receive them, are unknown. As the launch date approaches, more details should emerge about this mid-range phone, which will join the Galaxy A family along with the Galaxy A25 and Galaxy A15, thus expanding market leader Samsung's mobile offering of smartphones. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.